Okay, so most of you know I made a video featuring, that Reaper, which is today. And I mentioned he started making a weird noise. But y'all don't know that along with the bobbleheaded Grim Reaper that I got and the small Grim Reaper, the small Grim Reaper had since 2014 and the Skeleton Butler had since 2015. My bobblehead Grim Reaper, my small inflatable Reaper, I had him since 2013, so my small inflatable Reaper, he's been through a lot. He's been through rain, wind, being inside, and he's just kind of old. He just got really old. And he's just kind of old, actually. He's approximately 9... No, wait, 6 years old, so we've had him for a while. Bye.